This video is sponsored by Carly Connected Car. When the Carly Connected app is paired with the Carly adapter, you have a powerful diagnostic, coding and vehicle health checker all in one place. The vehicle health option is just like a regular diagnostic tool, and it will scan the entire car for error codes, and it works with a wide range of car makes and models. But the coding functions is where Carly comes into its element. Not only could you activate hidden features on your car, you can also use Carly to code in hardware changes that you may have made to your car. So check this out. I upgraded the fog light bulbs on my BMW E92 to the brighter LED types. Now, the headlight module is going to read these bulbs as blown because the LED bulbs use a lower voltage than the standard bulbs. So I was able to use my Carly, connect into my FRM module, and even filtered what I was looking for using the category function. This made it very easy to find the voltage monitoring settings for my front fog lights only. And then once I found them, I was able to switch them off. After that, all I had to do is hit code it now, accept the agreement, and literally just wait a matter of seconds. And look, 1, 2. Within 2 seconds, the coding was successful and I was able to come back. But as you can see, I've still got the 2 fault codes within the FRM module. But I was able to easily clear that using the diagnostic vehicle health function. And this is what makes Carly so powerful. Not only is it small, but it's easy to use, it's fast, and it gets the job done. And as you can see, guys, my FRM module is completely fine and it has no more issues. Another useful tool is the used car checker. You can use this function to double check any hidden issues that a used car might have. This literally takes seconds and it can save you a ton of headache and hassle in the long term. So if you want to complete any of the tasks that you've seen in the video, make sure you subscribe to Salvage Nation. Click the link in the description down below, which will take you to the Carly website to make your order. And to give you that extra help in hand, use the discount code SALVAGENATION, where you will receive 10% off the price of the Carly adapter. Do remember, you need to download the app, which comes in either a free version where you can do general diagnostics on a wide range of cars, but to unlock more advanced features that could be available for your car, such as coding and maintenance features, you can upgrade to the yearly license. So what are you waiting for? With that said, let's get back to the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. This episode, guys, this is going to be a special one. I've dreamt of this day. We've got a new build on the channel and I can see it right there, but I'm not going to show it to you yet. So as you can tell by the title, I've already gone and bought a MK6 Golf. Guys, I never thought I'd be rebuilding this car on the channel so soon, but the channel's been doing really well and we're in a position where we can do it. And it's a dream car of mine and I hope that you guys want to stick around. So before I show you the car now, I'm going to show you what happened last night. It was my first Instagram live. I wanted to share it with all of you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at @salvage_nation. But check out these clips from delivery night and then I'm going to bring you back here and we're going to go check out the car. Salvage Nation, baby, let's go. Guys, you're watching this in the future. The car has just come. I'm so gassed. I'm so gassed. I'm so excited. Let's go check it out. Excited and worried. Guys, it's literally been about 2 hours trying to get the car off of the truck because it's got the DSG gearbox. Have a look at the fuses. All the wires for the fuses are completely smacked. So the car was stuck in park. We managed to get it off now. Someone has kindly packed all receipts from new. It's got so much, look, it was serviced at Bentley, you know, Bentley in Leicester. It's got all service history, all receipts from new, all MOT certificates. Come on, man, this car was well looked after. This is the original purchase paperwork. Bloody hell. No way, look at all of this. Look at all of that. Extended warranty, plus the booklet. I'll be going through all of that once I get in. Let's go back to the main video where I'm going to be showing you guys around this car. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. And I just want to tell you, the plan for this car is I'm going to be rebuilding this car, and then I'm going to be driving this car, my BMW, and some other special cars across Europe, and we're going to be headed down to Germany. We're going to meet up with one of my subscribers called Dominic. Dominic, I see you. I'm going to meet up with Dominic, and we're going to be taking this car and all the Salvage Nation builds around the legendary Nürburgring. So if that's something that you want to see, guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you give me a thumbs up if this is the kind of content you like to see. I'm trying to get to 10K subs. Guys, we're at 2K. I'm trying to get to 10K subs. Let's make it happen. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, subscribe to Salvage Nation right now, guys. Let's continue. Guys, I hope you're as excited as I am about this build. This car is so sick. Before I show you the damage in its entirety, I need to tell you about today's sponsors. This video is sponsored by Carly Connected Car. Carly Connected Car is a very powerful diagnostic tool and is perfect for diagnosing, coding, and also it's got a really clever feature, and I'm going to show it to you. So the guys from Carly actually sent me out my very own Carly Connected adapter, and I'm going to show it to you. It's in my tidy little bag here. That's what I've got in my bag today. I've got all my keys and all my bits and bobs, and my Carly Connected Car is in here, and I want to show it to you guys because it's so clever. So guys, look how tiny this is. So when you order your Carly Connected Car adapter, this is what happens. It comes like this, and then when you get this, you need to also download the app, and the app comes in two forms, a free or paid version, and I'll explain that to you in a second. So when you get your Carly box, you pop it open, you get a little card welcoming you to Carly and some general information on the actual product. But have a look at this, guys. This is so tiny, it fits in the palm of your hands. You can walk around with this in your pocket, and you can take this with you when you're buying a used car, because it's got a really clever used car checker function, and it can tell you hidden issues on any particular used car. But more importantly, you can diagnose any error codes, engine lights, any sort of lights that come up on your car, and I'm sure this car is going to have lots of lights. Have a look at that. It's lit up like a bloody Christmas tree. The car doesn't start at the moment, and I believe it's going to be in some sort of a crash shutdown mode. I'm going to be using my Carly adapter paired up with the Carly app to tell me exactly what's going on. So it's so simple. All you need to do is get your Carly adapter, plug it into the car. The diagnostic port is down here somewhere, and that's it, plugged in. After it's plugged in, I get my phone, click the Carly app, and there we go. I was using it on my mate's Mercedes yesterday, so I don't need that. So I go back, and these are all the cars. It works with a wide range of cars, guys. So I was using it on my BMW, a Range Rover, Mercedes. I've already added the Golf, so I click the Golf, and there we go. Click connect. After that, it's going to connect to the car. Have a look. How simple is that, guys? And as you can see, you've got the system health checker, which is the diagnostic mode. You've got the used char check, so it checks for mileage fraud and other issues that may be hidden if you buy a used car. Have a look at that. You can do recommended coding, you can code your car, and you've got some additional features as well. But for now, I want to go to the health, and the health is going to tell me exactly. So I'll check for new issues. Have a look at that. And you can see the car is responding because the Carly app is talking to the Carly adapter and the car is responding. So guys, I'm gonna continue to check my car with my Carly adapter, but I've teamed up with Carly and I want to get you guys as involved as possible. So if you want to check your car, you want to diagnose your car, you want to code your car, use the link in the description down below. And if you use the code SALVAGE, you will get 10% off the price of your adapter. Remember, the adapter needs to be paired up with the Carly app, and the Carly app comes in 2 versions. A free light version where you can do general diagnostics and get the feel for the Carly app. But if you want to do the more advanced features like coding and the used car health checker, then you will need to pay a yearly subscription, which I went ahead and did. Use the link down below. It's affiliated for the channel, so you will be helping Salvage Nation, and also you get a little bit off as well if you use the code Salvage Nation. And remember, this is a limited time offer. It's a limited run that I'm doing with Carly. So the first 1,000 subscribers, you need to be subscribed to the channel. So subscribe now if you're watching this and you're not subscribed. Click the link down below, and when you check out, use the code Salvage Nation. The first 1,000 subscribers, guys, is very limited. It's limited to 1,000 subscribers, and it's limited to a specific time as well. Guys, you can't go wrong with Carly. I've been using it for a few days and I absolutely love it. And I'll show you later on how I got on with diagnosing my new Mark 6 VW Golf. Let's continue. So guys, now that I've done my diagnostics, let's get out and show you the car. There's quite a lot of damage and I'm not sure if I've bitten off more than I can chew, but I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to give it our best, and on Salvage Nation, I'm sure we'll be able to get it done. So let's get outside and let's do a walk around of the car and show you all the cool features and show you, more importantly, all the damage. Let's go. There you have it, guys. I've only gone and bought a Mark 6 Golf R automatic with the DSG gearbox. Check out my new cover plate, Salvage Nation. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube. What do you guys think of the new channel logo? Let me know in the description down below. I want to show you guys around the car, and we're gonna start here. Have a look at this mess, guys. It's completely KO'd the top finch, so I'm gonna have to get a cut and replace that, and we're gonna be doing some technical work with that. I'm gonna go to see my pal Mustafa. He's gonna help me with that. Obviously, you need a new bonnet, you need a new wing. I was really surprised that the wheels are okay, the tires are right. They're all running the very sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, so I'm really looking forward to getting this car up and running. Now, the car is not starting, and I don't know why, but I've got a big clue. Have a look. The fuse box is meant to be right here. The fuse box is completely ripped to shreds, so I'm gonna have to try to get a new fuse box here. I don't know if there's any battery in the car, so I'll be checking out that in a minute. But have a look. Chassis leg is bent a little bit, but we'll be able to straighten that up with no problem. One of the things I was really worried about was my rad pack. Because it's the Golf R, it's a 2-litre TSI engine, turbocharged. It's gonna have the intercoolers and everything, and I was really worried. They were really expensive, but have a look. The rad pack looks to be all right. It's just pushed back a little bit, so that means that the fans hopefully should be okay. What I've gone ahead and I've ordered is a complete front panel with the bumper bar. Have a look at that bumper bar, completely smashed. And I've gone ahead and I've bought a new wishbone because I've jacked it up just now and I've seen that the wishbone on that side is gone. But have a look at that damage, guys. Tell me what you think of this. So guys, because the chassis on that side was pushed over, it's pushed over this chassis leg as well. Once again, once this goes on the frame puller, we should be able to line all of that up without a problem. I can see right there, I need an engine mount, but the engine is in good nick. Always check the oil. Have a look. Lots of oil, so I know that my engine is not dry. I'll check out the quality of that oil at a later date. Coming around the car, there's not a lot of other damage. Have a look at that. Got the lovely R signs. The twinnet is also in the middle. I really like those lights. Once again, the wheels just needs a nice clean. No damage to this side, except for the door. So we should be able to repair that door right there. Have a look at that. Guys, this car is hiding some goodies inside. I can see the broken bumper, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that the headlight on the driving side is in the car, because there's not a lot of damage on this side, and I'm hoping that we can salvage it or we can take some modules and stuff off of it. So let's check out the interior of the car. Now the interior of this car, guys, have a look at those mats. I love that R sign once again. So I need a new knee airbag, a new driver airbag, a new dash. I've bought a complete airbag kit, as I said earlier. Have a look, guys, check this out. So when you try to start the car, brake down, Have a look. I get nothing. It's completely dead. Completely dead. This should be pretty easy to change. The dash, I've done a million dashes. That should be easy to change. This, I had to remove this so that I can press that little yellow button in there and manually stick it into neutral so the car can roll off the truck. But yeah guys, have a look. No damage on the roof, no more damage at the back, no more damage to this side either. The windows have got some light tint on it. I'm happy about that. Got the black mirror covers. So yeah, wing, bonnet, front bumper, all the grills. I'm hoping that my rads are alright. But this is the issue, guys. I really need to sort out the fence and the chassis legs. And that's what I'm really worried about. The next thing I'm worried about is I want to try to get this car started. Until I get the car started, I can't relax. So that's the next step. But for now, I want you guys to let me know what you think of the new Golf R. It's come with 2 keys. It came with full service history. As you saw last night when we got the car, we found everything scattered in the back. The previous owner, I don't know who you are, but I thank you. They went ahead and they packed away everything for me, and it's all stacked up into individual little packets, and it's all labeled, everything. This car has got all the receipts, all the service history, everything that was ever purchased for this car since new. That is crazy. So if we can get this back on the road, guys, it's going to be a good one. And remember, we're driving this car to Germany and we're going to be doing some laps around the legendary Nürburgring. So if that's what you want to see, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And for this episode, guys, this is where we're going to end it. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you know. Let me know, you know. Let me know what you think of the new build. It's a 2012 Golf R, guys. This car, we're going to make this car crazy. And then we're going to be driving it to Germany. So that's what we want to see. Stay tuned.